Hey everyone, my name's Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little different and doing a quick time lapse of my Mother's Day cake. I didn't have time to make a full-fledged video, but I still wanted to show you guys what I did. So what I did was I made a masala chai spice cake with the honey buttercream, and I tinted the buttercream pink, so since it's my mom's favorite color. And so what I did was I baked the cake layers a day before and let them cool in the fridge for overnight. And here you can see me layering and frosting the cake with the buttercream. I just did a quick thin layer, put it in the fridge for a little bit, and then did another layer. I let it set, and then I did the hot knife technique, except this time I used my decorating comb, which I never actually had done before until this video. I always just used my spatula, but it gave me that super smooth sides that I needed. I wanted to add some flair to this cake, so what I did was I got gum paste roses and macarons, and I took some of the gold luster dust that I had and mixed it with a little bit of lemon extract. Usually you would use alcohol, but because I don't have any, I just used extract and painted the sides of the roses with gold. I also did the same things for the macarons, so it would give it a little bit of a pop of color on the side instead of just being pink and white. So I used white chocolate ganache to do the drips on my cake. I kind of wish that I had used something a little bit liquidier to make it very shiny and smooth. This one turned out to be a little bit more matte and it's set up, but I still loved how it turned out. So I used about 450 grams of white chocolate and 200 grams of heavy cream to make it. I let it set for about 30 minutes and then used it. I just put some final touches on this cake by putting the roses along with the macarons on, and there you have it. There's the final product. I hope you loved it, and happy Mother's Day.